Hey guys, this is Kevin here at JazTime.com, helping you out with another instructional video, this time for the Rolex Daytona bracelet, specifically the clasp. So locate the folding Oyster clasp at the bottom of the bracelet. Open it up as so safety off first and then the folding. For the adjustment of the bracelet, you'll need a tool to be able to adjust the Daytona. So in the back here, you'll see little edges of a pin that you'll have to press in order to move the bracelet 5 millimeters forward or 5 millimeters inward. So that's how you would adjust the Daytona bracelet. Okay, if you guys need any more help, leave some comments below. Check out more of our instructional YouTube videos, or even just standalone watch reviews. Thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on the mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.